AutoRevzz back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in this video I am going to discuss about the positives and negatives of the Maruti Suzuki Celerio. Now guys, I have already given you guys a detailed walk around of the CNG variant, so you can basically check that video out by clicking on the link above, and you can also check out the same video in Hindi on our Hindi YouTube channel, and on that particular channel the video has already crossed more than 27,000 views, so thanks a lot for that as well. Now let's quickly start the video from the positives of the car. So the first positive of the Maruti Suzuki Celerio, which I personally feel, is the ride quality of the car. The ride quality of the car is really very good, because of which it definitely provides you very good amount of comfort inside the cabin when you drive it in the city, as well as when you take it over bad roads. The car is very much comfortable. It is really very good to be in. So that is the first positive point which I personally feel about the car, that the ride quality is really very good. It is on the softer side. Now guys, coming on to the second positive point of the car, which I personally feel, is the mileage of the car. Now, as I mentioned, I have already given you guys a detailed walk around of the CNG variant. So there is a VXI CNG variant which is available with the Celerio, and the ARAI claim mileage for the CNG variant is somewhere around 31.79 kilometers per kg, which is really very good. So if your running is more than 35 kilometers per day, and if you are looking out for a car which has good looks, which has great mileage, and which has comfort as well, so you can definitely check out the Maruti Suzuki Celerio. According to me, the mileage of the car is really very good. Now guys, coming on to the third and final positive point of the Maruti Suzuki Celerio, which I feel is the looks and the design of the car. The looks and the design is definitely one of the things because of which a lot of people have actually bought the car, and it definitely does not look like an entry segment car. It definitely looks like a proper hatchback. That is one of the reasons why the product has been a successful product in the Indian market, and people have loved it as well. So all those reasons, I think because of all those reasons, people have loved the Maruti Suzuki Celerio. So if you are looking out for a car which has better mileage, which has good amount of comfort, and it definitely looks like a proper hatchback, then definitely you should be going with the Maruti Suzuki Celerio. Now guys, let's come on to the negative points of the car. So guys, the first negative point which I personally feel about the car is the gearbox of the car, the manual gearbox which you get with the Celerio. Now I have already driven the WagonR as well as the Swift, and in both the cars I personally feel that the gearbox is much more smoother in terms of shifts. So if you drive the Celerio, you'll notice the fact that the gearbox definitely could have been a little bit more smoother in terms of shifts. So that is the first negative point according to me. Now coming on to the second negative point of the Maruti Suzuki Celerio, which I feel is the handling of the car. Definitely when you take it over corners at high speed, the feel and feedback which you get from the steering wheel is not that great according to me. That is something which I believe the handling definitely could have been a little bit more better, and the steering also does not really weigh up that well. So that those are the two negative points which I feel about the car. So guys, now coming on to the third and final negative point of the Maruti Suzuki Celerio, which I feel is the engine of the car. The engine which you get is a 1-liter petrol engine which produces around 67 bhp of power and 90 Newton meters of torque, and the engine is really very good in terms of power and pickup as far as you are driving it on the petrol. But as soon as you turn it to CNG, definitely there is a power loss which can be felt, and definitely there is a point where you kind of feel that you should have got a bit more power. So that is one thing which I feel about the car, that the engine definitely should have got a bit more power, especially in the CNG variant. So guys, these were the three positive points and the three negative points of the Maruti Suzuki Celerio. I hope you guys liked the video. Still, if you have any questions or doubts regarding same or the other, you can definitely question it to me on Instagram as well as in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer most of your doubts. And you can also check out our Hindi channel, which is AutoRevzz Hindi. All the links are given in the description box below. And guys, which next car do you want to see on the channel? Please do let me know. Which next topic do you want me to cover? So I'll definitely try to make a video on the same. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, drive safe, ride safe. Bye bye.